First of all, go into your assignments in your class, and you can see here that there's one for the water cycle. Now, one student has submitted their work and they've put it in as a PDF, so I'm just going to click on that there, and the app will load up the PDF for me. And now in the top right hand corner there's a little pencil, and that takes me into the edit feature. So this is a really powerful tool for marking and giving feedback. I can select across the bottom the size pen that I'd like. I can erase my writing. I can put some written comments in, or I can, there we go, just highlight what I like, or circle or write my feedback on. When I press save, it saves it as a second edited PDF, and now when I go back to the student's work, there we go, I can go into the edited one and all his feedback will be there that I put in. And now he can choose to unsubmit and resubmit the work, or he could do an amendment. If I press the blue return button, then the student will be notified and can check all of my feedback.